Right, hello and welcome back to a quick video from Cars and Engineering. I'm going to be explaining why I'm removing my tyre pressure monitoring system from the car. Stay tuned. Well, as the title and the intro suggests, I'm going to be removing my tyre pressure monitoring system from the car, namely because I've had some valves foul on the car itself. I think these are just too much weight to have on the end. So as the wheel's rotating, obviously when I'm going up and down the motorway or around town, it's putting too much load on the actual brass fitting itself on the stem. I'll pop this one off and I'll show you. So, if I take this off, this is the brass fitting I'm on about. What's happened is, on a couple of the other tyres, the fitting has delaminated from the actual rubber stem, because that's just rubber there, and air's been escaping from behind the actual brass itself. So it's like a slight, like that, but there's nothing wrong with the valve. So I think this is just too much weight, and it was just wiggling it too much and damaging this seal here. Now, from what I can see, I've only had two fail. The other two are okay. I think they were newer valves, but it's not something I can risk. It could like damage it down here. These might be okay for track, but for now they're going to stay off. I will be changing the wheels over soon, so I might go for an internal. You can get these sensors internal as part of the actual wheel itself. I think they're a bit more money, but this was cheap. This was cheerful. I think it was about £30 from Amazon or eBay, one of them. But yeah, for a safety reason, I'm going to be taking these off. I've got the original dust caps and a very dirty wheel. Anyway, yeah, I think from a safety point of view, I'm going to keep these on at the moment. But yeah, that's it for this video. Just sort of say I'm removing the tyre pressure monitor system because it really isn't worth having a valve explode on the motorway at 70 miles an hour. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope you liked, hope you subscribed, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Take care.